Heyo, what's up, people? My name is Rachel, and in case y'all didn't know, I love coffee. And I was thinking, since the winter season is coming about, why not try to make a peppermint mocha? Obviously, to make one of these, you need peppermint, so I emptied some candy canes into a Ziploc bag, and I've already started crushing them. I gotta crush them really finely so I can make some peppermint syrup. The reason that it needs to be syrup is because if it's not syrup, it's not really gonna blend with the rest of the drink. Like, the flavor is not gonna be there as prominently as it would otherwise. So this is half a cup of water, and then it's a little bit less than half a cup of candy canes. So the rest of it is sugar until it's about half a cup worth of all that. And you melt it over the stove. I do it in between low and medium. And you're just gonna wait until it fully dissolves. When that was done, I poured it into this container, and then after letting it cool off for a bit, I put it in the fridge so that I can come back to it and it'll be cold. Now, I actually didn't come back to it until the following day. So right now, what we have to do is we have to actually make the mocha. Now, the ingredients you need to make this peppermint mocha frappuccino are peppermint syrup, chocolate syrup, milk, coffee, vanilla extract, salt, and a sweetener of some sort. Some people use maple syrup, I use agave. Now, I don't have exact measurements for this, but you want to put about 1/3 coffee and then 2/3 milk as your base. After that, you want to put in chocolate syrup, and then you also want about 1 spoon of peppermint syrup because that stuff is pretty strong. A very small amount of vanilla extract. And then you add your sweetener, more chocolate syrup, some salt, tweak it until you get what you want. Here's a tip. You want to make the original mixture a lot stronger than how you actually want the drink to turn out, because we're going to blend this with ice. Which brings us to our next step, which we're going to put ice in the blender, and then we're going to make sure it's a bit more than our mixture, which is going to give it that frappuccino texture. I'm actually going to be crushing a few more candy canes so that I can have some pieces of candy cane that I can put on top as a topping. And our final step is that we're gonna put all this together in our cup. So we're gonna be pouring in the frappuccino, then we're gonna put whipped cream on top, and then on top of that, we're putting that crushed candy cane. And that's how I made a peppermint mocha. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Happy reading and happy caffeine drinking. God bless you, and bye!